We'll guide you through how to design a Wix homepage, making your website look just the way you want it. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard and select the site you want to edit. Click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Now you're in the editor, you'll see your homepage ready for customization. To start designing, focus on the header first. Click on it and you can change the background color or image by selecting Change Header Design from the options. Make sure your logo is clear and visible by uploading it through the Add button, then Image, and drag it to the header area. Consider using a contrasting color for the header text to make sure it's readable. Next, let's move to the main content area. You can add sections by clicking Add, then Strip, to include a new section or use Add Section for pre-designed layouts. Each section can be customized by clicking on it and using the options that appear, like changing the text, adding images, or embedding videos. Remember, you want your content to be engaging, so don't overcrowd the page. Use the Text button to add headings and paragraphs, and make sure the font is consistent throughout to maintain a professional look. You can also drag and drop elements to rearrange them, giving you full control over the layout. For the footer, click on it and use the same customization options as the header. Make sure to include essential information like contact details or social media links. Finally, preview your design by clicking on Preview at the top to see how it looks on different devices. If you're happy with it, click Publish to make your changes live. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.